This video goes over common mistakes on RIP4. There weren't very many mistakes. There are a lot of different ways to solve number 1 by hand, so if yours isn't exactly the way the answer key looks, that's okay. The most common mistakes were people losing negative signs or plugging things into the wrong variable or getting an answer and then plugging in the wrong number. Just little mistakes in that regard, or incorrect solving. But the most common thing was not writing the answer the way we've asked you to write it. So we want you to write the answer as a point. It's okay to write x equals 3, y equals 1, and z equals negative 1/5, but make sure you write your answer as a point at the end. And the reason we want you to do that is because that shows to us that you understand that the answer to a system of equations is the intersection of the equations graphically. So in this case, we have 3 planes. The 3 planes intersect at a 3-dimensional point. That is what you are telling us when you write it as a point. Problem 2, most common issues, not labeling your variables. So we don't really know what everything means. You don't have to use X, Y, and Z. You could use T, R, and S for TV, radio, and social media. Several people did that. That's fine. Just make sure you label what you're doing. We had numerous occasions where people put 3x equals y. That would indicate that the radio ads are actually 3 times the amount of the TV ads. Because remember, if the TV ads are bigger, they have a larger value. Then what that means is the other variable has to be multiplied by 3, because the other variable would be smaller. So in order to make it equal to something that's larger, you have to multiply it by a value. And then in word problems, our answer should not be written as a point. It should be written in context with units. So you should tell us what you're solving. So TV ads cost $2,400. And then you also have to tell us what the units are. So in this case, put dollars in your answer.